Hey guys, how you doing? It's Todd. I hope you're doing really well. I just wanted to say hello and thank you for visiting my video. And today I wanted to talk to you about the Infinity Processing System. Basically, this is all the rage right now, and let's figured I'd do a video about it. So basically, what you're gonna do, just to let you know what's going on, you make up to $300 a day. 100% commission comes to you by posting pre-written ads on social media. Sounds kind of cool, huh? And this is all the rage right now. A lot of people doing it. It's easy. And Amanda Ray, who's very well known in the industry, is doing it as well. But what the steps that are involved in doing this is basically it's a three-step system. You get started by picking one of the levels, and I'll go over the levels in a second. Then you're gonna post ads on social media. And basically, what they do is they show you where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. Then you get paid, and you can set it up through PayPal as well and other payment processors. So basically, just to let you know how it works, it's a step-by-step process for making automatic commissions each and every day that creates a life-changing income using proven high-converting pre-written ads, making it simple for you to earn 100% commissions. You can't beat that. So it's a direct sales global opportunity, and we give you the high converting ads. It says so, which is great. So basically, it's good if you're in a pandemic without a job right now. You're stay at home or whatever your situation is. You could basically do this and make a good profit. So basically, uh, there are three kinds of levels you can get into. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. The first one is a $50 level, and one-time admin website fee. You get $50 commissions. Basically, you get the training. Uh, you know, it's the starter level, so you're not going to get all the training involved here. So the elite level is a little bit more. You get like 150 and $50 commissions. You get the pre-written ads, and you get bonus image ads. You get a lot more training. You get the closing script. You get the Facebook marketing strategy, and the list just goes on. As I going the wrong way here, sorry about that. So basically, the pro level is the $300 one, which is basically the one you get paid on all levels. So you get the 50, the 150, and the 300. So whoever buys it comes to you directly. So and you got everything here. You get the pre-written ads, you get the mindset, closing scripts, marketing strategy, Facebook groups, you name it, it's here. So this is the hot potato right now in the work at home industry, and I tend to agree with it. So if you are interested, please take a look at the link below the description, and I will be glad to give you what you need to get you started right away today. And I thank you so much for your time today. And I am very thankful for you looking at this video. And if you like what you see, please give us a subscribe or just leave a comment. You know, whatever you want to do. You're a cool dude or cool person or persons or persona. You name it. Cover all groups involved. Nothing but love here. Okay, take care. Bye.